Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very refreshing and delicious agua fresca. It's a watermelon hibiscus agua fresca that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this amazing and refreshing watermelon hibiscus agua fresca, these are my ingredients: sugar, watermelon, color, flavor, concentrate of watermelon, of course, hibiscus flower, water, and ice. This is everything you need. So let's get started. First things first, I want to start with the hibiscus flower. It's nice and dry, and we are ready to start hydrating it and removing all those amazing flavors and color. I'm adding 1 cup of the hibiscus flower, and I'm adding 2 cups of water. I am going to take it to the stove. I am going to cook it for about 5 minutes until it's boiling and the hibiscus flower has released all the flavor, all the color. Turn it off. Let it come to room temperature before you put it through a sifter. Be careful, you don't want to get burned. After it's been resting for about 15-20 minutes, I know that it's still a little warm. That's okay. Now we are ready to start putting it through a sifter, removing all the hibiscus flower and leaving behind the amazing juice and flavor of the hibiscus. And now let's do this. This is a very easy process. The combination of the watermelon and the hibiscus juice, just amazing. You need to make it. You need to enjoy it for this summer. It's nice and hot here in California. And of course, I am ready to enjoy this amazing and delicious watermelon hibiscus agua fresca. Look at the intense color of the hibiscus juice. I have my watermelon here. I need about 2 cups of fresh watermelon. And this watermelon is so sweet. How am I going to sweeten this amazing agua fresca? I have monked sugar, and that's what I'm going to use. Of course, you could use regular sugar. And if you do use regular sugar, just make sure that you make your simple syrup so you don't use too much of the sugar. Look at this. If the watermelon is sweet, there's no need to add too much sugar. Of course, if you have a little one at home, give them this slice. And now I am ready to transfer it to my blender cup. I'm adding about 2 cups of the watermelon pulp into my blender cup, my NutriBullet. And you know that the NutriBullet, I only use it for my aguas frescas. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of the monked sugar sweetener, and that's going to be more than enough. Of course, half a teaspoon of the extract and concentrate of watermelon. And now I am ready to blend. Let's blend away completely. Let me tell you, this combination of hibiscus and watermelon, just perfection. And now when you have everything nice and blended, we are going to put it through a sifter and remove all the pulp of the watermelon. This is going to take time, but let me tell you, once you start enjoying this amazing agua fresca, the combination is just perfect. And this is exactly what you don't want on your agua fresca, all that amazing pulp. You don't want that. You want to make sure that it's really refreshing. It has all the flavor, but yet you don't want this pulp in your agua fresca. Once you remove the pulp, then you're ready to start adding the 2 cups of the hibiscus juice. Look how the color transfers and the aroma and combination of these 2 ingredients, just amazing. And here I'm just going to incorporate, I'm going to taste and see if I need to add a little more of the monk sweetener. To my tasting, this is just perfect. Remember that the watermelon is nice and sweet. And now, of course, the presentation. Look at this. I am ready to enjoy. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing watermelon hibiscus agua fresca. Make it. Enjoy it with your beautiful family. Excuse me. The flavor is just amazing and delicious. A perfect combination. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing and refreshing agua fresca. Watermelon hibiscus agua fresca. See you soon. Bye-bye.